Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where we can go on a journey together to live our highest, truest, and most fulfilled version of ourselves. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. Thank you so much. Today's video is another food vlog. It's the easiest but delicious 3 ingredients: bananas, oatmeal, and chocolate chips cookies. So here we go. Even your kids can make this cookie. So here are the ingredients: 2 medium bananas, ripe bananas, 1.5 cups of oatmeal, and then a 1/3 cup of mini chocolate chips. That is it. First step is to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Smash the bananas, mix all the ingredients till it forms into a batter. Then form a cookie dough, whatever size you want. This recipe can make 6 medium-sized cookies or 12 small ones. Then place in an oil baking pan or dish, and then you are ready to bake it at 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. And these are your delicious cookies. They're gluten-free, they're vegan, and easy to make. What's not to love? And mom approved too. So easy, your kids can do this. Thanks for watching. Be kind, be loving, and be inspired. Take care. Bye-bye.